Now we will learn about functions. What are functions? So first we need to understand what are functions. A function can be defined as a block of reusable code can be used to perform single related action. So what are functions in Python? We can understand function is a block of code which are reusable. Now instead of writing or copying the code each time, you could build it as a function which is similar to methods you have seen earlier. Functions serve the purpose of reusable and customized method. After the after few video, you will be able to create your own function which could be customized to perform a task based on your performance preference. So there are few functions which we have used here. Python gives you a lot of functions like print, exit, input. These are functions. But you can also create your own functions, which is known as user defined functions. Here you will be more familiar with user defined functions and with the need of how you will define them. So first we will write a program or write a function which takes a value as a parameter and returns its factorial. So we are going to write a function which will return the value as its factorial. So we know this that 5 factorial what it is. If we I am saying factorial of 5, what does it mean? It means that 5 multiply by 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 and multiply by 1. In the similar way, if I am going to write n factorial, what does it mean? N factorial means n multiply by n minus 1 multiply by n minus 2 3 2 1. So this is how factorial is. If we are saying 5 factorial, it means we are multiplying the number between 5 to 1. 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Similarly, 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 1. Similarly, 10 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 up to into 1. So similar way, n factorial is n factorial n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to 1. Now just we just go ahead and write a value. So we cannot write this in this way because this is not a code. Let's say we are defining a function def name of the def name of the function and the parameter you give. So this is a dummy function. We can write the code here and we can say return value. So later on you can call the name of the function. So I am saying of the name of the function. So if I am saying here return 9, sorry, return 9. So if I'm going to run it, first we need to run it, then we need to run this. You can see it. It will return 9 because it's a dummy function. So this is a basic function. In it takes a value and return the value. This is just a syntax how you will define a user defined function in detail. I'm going to tell you in the coming video. So this is all about a basic function. It takes a value and return the value. This is just a syntax how you will define a user defined function. So this is all about from my side about basics of functions. And please like and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.